12 Acura TSX drivability problem when it's cold. I don't know if you can really see with the camera or not. I kind of pushed this one out. If you see how flat those intake gaskets are, let me grab the new one. This problem only occurs until it gets warmed up. Idle's rough, even showing a multiple cylinder misfire. And lean. No lean code, which it should have. Now I think you could see the difference there. And this one's actually pushed out. If you can compare how much more the new gasket sticks out from the old gasket. This will give you a cold start drivability issue. It'll chug, run bad, miss for only a couple of minutes. You'll get a multi-cylinder misfire code. Sometimes you get a lean cylinder misfire code, but very rarely, which is really weird because it's a lean misfire.